Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the ASUS ProArt Display 27-inch 4K HDR professional monitor. Amazon links with the cheapest price in the description, don't miss out. Its 27-inch IPS panel delivers stunning UHD 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, ensuring razor-sharp image quality with remarkable clarity and detail. Designed to meet professional standards, this monitor covers 99% of both DCI-P3 and Adobe RGB color gamuts, making it ideal for color-critical workflows. The factory calibration to Delta E less than 2 and Calman Verified status ensures that color accuracy is top-notch, right out of the box. This monitor excels in color reproduction, offering vibrant and consistent colors with 178 degrees wide viewing angles. HDR support enhances the visual experience by providing better contrast and brightness, making it perfect for creating HDR content or simply enjoying immersive visuals. The ProArt display is equipped with a wide array of ports, including USB-C with 96W power delivery, DisplayPort, HDMI, and a USB hub. The USB-C port not only allows seamless connectivity but also supports daisy chaining, simplifying multi-monitor setups. The 96W power delivery ensures your laptop or other devices stay charged while working, adding to the monitor's convenience. The sleek design of the PA279CRV includes a height-adjustable stand with tilt, swivel, and pivot options, ensuring maximum comfort during long editing sessions. Its ultra-slim bezels provide an immersive viewing experience, making it perfect for multi-monitor setups. A standout feature is the complimentary 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, which adds significant value for creative professionals using tools like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Illustrator. The ASUS ProArt PA279CRV is a premium monitor tailored for professionals who demand precision and reliability. With its superb 4K display, wide color gamut, exceptional connectivity, and ergonomic design, this monitor is an investment that enhances productivity and creativity. If you're looking for a monitor that combines cutting-edge technology with professional-grade color accuracy, this is an excellent choice. Its 27-inch IPS panel delivers stunning UHD 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, ensuring razor-sharp image quality with remarkable clarity and detail. Designed to meet professional standards, this monitor covers 99% of both DCI-P3 and Adobe RGB color gamuts, making it ideal for color-critical workflows. Amazon links with the cheapest price in the description, don't miss out.